Hi everyone, happy Monday. I'm going to go over some of our math worksheets. So the first one you're going to see has cards on it, but what you're going to notice is that some of the cards are blank. What do you think you would do? If you see a card and it has a number 3 on it plus a blank card equals 10, what do I need to do in this card to make sure that my two numbers together equal 10? I have to fill it out with the proper number that goes in here. So 3 plus something equals 10. What could that be? How could I solve that? If I already have 3 and I count on 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many fingers do you see? 7. So I would then draw, as you can see, this is hearts, 7 hearts. I could draw a card that has 7, the number 7. If you guys want, you can just put the number 7 equals 10. That's one way of solving, is counting on using my fingers. Or you could use Legos. You have 3. How many more Legos do I need until I get to 10? So using counters, all those items that you can find around your home, that would work. Pencils, Legos, what else? Beans. So you guys could use counters. You could also solve using a paper and a pencil, drawing. Okay, so you're going to fill it in. So let's see what that looks like. Mrs. West will do it with you. I'll draw, since we said 7, and 7 upside down. And then I can draw 7 hearts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And mine might not look just like a card does, but so I drew 7, and just like they did over here, the 3 was upside down. Let's do another one so I can show you. You don't have to make it look like a card. So on the next one, let's just go down. It says 6 plus blank equals 10. What do you guys notice real quick? What number are we always adding up to on this worksheet? 10. So 6, we're adding something to make 10. If I use my fingers, I could use counters. Let's try it with counters. So I have 6 counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so I have 6 counters. I need to make 10. I have 6 counting on 7. You guys can't see my little guys. 8, 9, what? 9, 10. How many more counters did I grab? They're right here. So I had 6. I grabbed 1, 2, 3, 4 more counters. That means 6 plus 4 equals 10. So you can also just draw the number if you want, or I could have drawn 4 hearts. Okay, so you have to use those thinking skills and find the missing number. You're also going to do that on Tuesday. So a worksheet that looks just like that will be done on Tuesday. Again, paying attention down here when you quickly solve these equations. Some are addition, some are subtraction. You have to use your eyes and make sure you're paying attention to that, right? And then you guys are going to see worksheet like this. And it says, use the pictures below to illustrate and solve this problem. Here are the pictures below. They're little bunnies, and you can cut these little bunnies out. And the word problem says, there were 4 gray rabbits and 5 black rabbits in the vegetable garden. How many rabbits were there in all? So key words in here letting us know, is this an addition problem or is this a subtraction problem? What are the key words? Let's read it again. There were 4 gray rabbits and 5 black rabbits. Right there. Really important information. I'm going to underline. You can do it with me too. 4 gray rabbits, 5 black rabbits. Okay, that's important. Those 2 numbers, we're going to be doing something with them in the vegetable garden. How many rabbits were there in all? That's a key word. In all, we would underline because that tells us all together. So no rabbits are leaving the vegetable garden. They want to know how many altogether. Does anyone know what kind of problem this is? Addition or subtraction? So you will take your rabbits down here, and you could even color gray rabbits and black rabbits to show how many rabbits you have. Paste them up here, and then you are going to count all of them to get your answer. Okay, and then down below it says complete the number bond. This is a number bond, so it's like a family of numbers. So this number bond is going to tie in with this problem up here. We know that we're working with 4 and 5. So 4 and 5 are our numbers that we are working with, right? And so we need to find the total, and that's what you're going to figure out up here. So once you know the total up here, you would put it in here. And then to the side, you can see there are 2 addition problems and 2 subtraction problems. And using this number bond, you are going to create equations that are true to the side, whether they're addition or subtraction, but you can only use these 3 numbers, okay? Good job. And again, on Thursday, you're going to do a worksheet very similar to the last one. So, underlining this one, this time do it on your own. Underline key words. Is it in all? That means we're adding. Is it things are leaving or taking away? That would be subtracting. And then create your number bond using these numbers up here. Okay, good job. You guys are going to do amazing. Take your time. Always take your time. And just do your best work. Okay, good job, you guys.